Good evening, race fans, and welcome to the Slot Sync Weekly Recap, the only news show where the controversies are tiny, the speeds are questionable, and the excuses are delivered at full volume. I'm your anchor, and tonight's top headline, Gravity Remains Undefeated. Tonight's top stories. Trap Guy went full corporate hostile takeover in Group 5, and the rest of the field would like a formal investigation into whether his trigger has a second stage. Modern GT showed up everywhere. At this point, if your car has a wing, congratulations. It's eligible for something. And the last one, Endurance, no results, made multiple appearances this week, which I'm told is a strategic move known as resting the equipment. We have breaking news. The Marshall Union would like everyone to stop finding new ways to de-slot in the same corner. Now on to the recaps. Carrera 124 magnets. We did Modern GT this week. The sprint winner was Mike from Big Oak Raceway. And Endurance, Mike again. Mike basically walked into the building, signed the paperwork, and left with both trophies before the ink even dried. The weekly standings, top of the pile is Mike, and right behind him, John Tucci. And MB Auto Detail in third, proving once again that detailing the car does not technically make it faster, but it does make it more confident. The monthly standings, Mike leads the month. John Tucci is right there in second, and Pete from Show Me Slot Cars holding third. The human embodiment of, I'm not worried, I'm just gathering data. Now on to Carrera 124 no magnets. The sprint winner, Mike again. But Endurance goes to Greg at Clearwater 124. That's right, Greg said, sure, Mike can have the sprint. I'll take the part where you have to be patient and make smart decisions. Disgusting behavior. We don't do that here. The weekly standings, Greg takes the week. Mike in second and Mr. Tucci in third. This is the kind of rivalry where everyone is polite and then quietly tries to delete the other guy's best lap time from existence. The monthly standings, Mike still leads the month, with John Tucci and Pete rounding out the top three. The month is young, which means the drama is still in its warm-up lap. We have breaking news. Someone has been heard saying, I was going easy. Authorities confirm that statement is never true. Now we're going to move on to the Carrera 132 magnets. We did Group 5 this week, and the sprint winner was Trap Guy. Endurance winner, Trap Guy. At one point, his car looked so stable, we assumed it was Park, and then it crossed the finish line again. The weekly standings, Trap Guy leads the week. Pete in second, Vince from P&T Speedway in third. This is the part of the show where I remind everyone, Group 5 cars are powered by speed, noise, and historical trauma. The monthly standings, John Tucci leads the month, with Trap Guy and Vince right behind. So yes, Trap Guy won the week, and still has to stare at that monthly board like, who keeps doing this to me? We have breaking news here as well. Reports confirm a photo finish occurred somewhere on someone's track. We don't know where, we don't know when, but we felt it. On to Carrera 132 no magnets. In no magnets, we ran Group 5 as well. The sprint winner was Mike. Endurance winner, Mr. Tucci. Translation, Mike brought speed and John Tucci brought the survival instincts. For the weekly standings, it's a two-driver showdown this week. Mike and Mr. Tucci. No middle, no wiggle room, just two people politely taking turns trying to end each other. The monthly standings, John Tucci leads the month, Mike is right there, and Grady is in the mix. And Grady is dangerous because he has the calm energy of someone who absolutely knows where your weak corner is. On to MR Slot Car. With the magnets, we had an open. Any car from MR Slot Car can run this week. The sprint winner was Mr. Tucci. Endurance winner, Mr. Tucci. At this point, we're going to start checking his pit lane for a secret wind tunnel. The weekly standing, John Tucci leads, Vince in second. Efficient, clean, no notes. For the monthly standings, Vince leads the month, and Mr. Tucci's in second. This is what we call a two-person argument, except the argument is happening at 55 seconds per lap. For MR Slot Car no magnets, we have the sprint winner with Mike, and the endurance, no result, which means the endurance winner is self-care. Weekly standings, Mike takes the week. Simple, direct, like a freight train with a lap timer. The monthly standings, Herrera's Carrera and Mike sitting at the top. And that's the fun part of points. You don't have to be loud, you just have to be consistent. And also not explode in turn 3. For NSR Magnets, we ran Modern GT this week, and the sprint winner was Vince. The endurance winner? Vince. That's a sweep. The kind where you don't even celebrate. You just nod like, yes, this was scheduled. For the weekly standing, Vince leads, Mr. Tucci in second, and Steve from Adam Zoo in third. That's a podium with 3 different driving styles. Precision, aggression, and I swear that corner moved. The monthly standings, John Tucci leads the month, Vince in second, and Mike in third. And yes, this is going to be one of those months where the lead changes because somebody sneezed mid-lap. That's all it takes. For NSR, we're going to do no magnets, where we race Modern GT this week. The sprint winner was Mike. The endurance, no result, which again is a bold strategy. I didn't lose, I simply opted out. The weekly standings, Mike leads, Steve in second. Short list, intense rivalry, like a chess match, except the pieces are flying off the board. For the monthly standings, Herrera's Carrera leads the month. Mike right there and Steve in third. This board is basically a warning label. For Scale Auto 124 no magnets, we have the sprint winner of Mike. The endurance, no result. Endurance continues its protest tour. With the weekly standings, Mike leads, and Greg at Clearwater 124 is a close second. Greg is quietly racking up points like a villain origin story. For the monthly standings, Mike leads the month, and Greg is in second. If you're ahead of Greg, please keep your mirrors clean. He's closer than he looks. For Scale Auto 132 magnets, we have a sprint winner, Mike. Endurance winner, Mr. Tucci. This is the classic split decision. Mike grabs the headline, John Tucci takes the long game. For the weekly standings, Mr. Tucci leads the week. Mike second and Vince third. This is a week where every mistake costs you, emotionally. For the monthly standings, Vince leads the month, Mr. Tucci second and Mike third. 3-way battle, no safe corners, no peace. Scale Auto 132, no magnets. We have the sprint winner, Mike. The endurance result, no surprise here, there's no result. We have officially entered the endurance is a myth era. For the weekly standings, Mike leads. That's it. For the monthly standings, Mike leads. That's it. It's a solo class right now, which is either relaxing or terrifying. For slotted magnets, we ran Modern GT this week. The sprint winner was Vince. The endurance winner, Trap Guy. So Vince gets the sprint crown, and Trap Guy gets the I can do this all day trophy. For the weekly standing, Trap Guy leads the week. Vince in second, and Mr. Tucci in third. That's a top 3 where nobody is safe, and everybody is looking at their spreadsheets. For the monthly standings, Trap Guy leads the month, and Vince and Tucci are right there behind him. It's early, but the vibes are already championship grudge match. For slotted no magnets, we have the sprint winner as Mike. And once again, no result in the endurance. So the sprint happened, and the endurance immediately filed a leave request. For the weekly standings, Mike leads. For the monthly standings, Mike leads. Yep, I had to check that again. And that wraps week 3 in slotted no magnets. Short, sweet, and slightly suspicious. And that's your Slot Sync weekly recap. If you enjoyed the show, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment explaining why your best lap doesn't count because a track temperature was different. I'm your anchor signing off, reminding you race clean, blame the marshal, and I'll see you next week. Well, it's getting better. We're getting more results, but that endurance thing, we gotta get guys to do the endurance thing. If you're watching this, race your endurance races.